Assalamualaikum everybody, this is Faruk Ahmed before you and I am walking along a small road. This is not actually road, this is the land divider and field divider. Okay, and when I see a duck, when I see a duck here, I remember a story. Once upon a time, there was a king and there was a servant of the king, and the servant one day was cutting a duck, and then the duck uh, was cutted by the servant, and the duck is prepared for the king on the table for eating. The king was sent, and he seen that there was only one leg piece of the duck. Then, then he asked the servant that where is the another leg piece. Then the servant said that there is only one leg piece of the duck, and the duck had one leg. Then the king, then the king saw through the window outside, and he looked that in the rainy season the duck the duck has only one leg. When the duck reached, the duck has the duck has only one leg, because they hide their one leg, and standing by the one leg, and they hide their own leg under their um, cleft. Okay, so the king believed that the king believed that there was only one leg. So this is the story. And when I see the duck, I remember the story, and I usually share the story with others, and now I am sharing with you